Welcome to the Live Big, Live Full, Live Authentic Daily Affirmation Podcast. I am LaMondré Pough, and today's episode is extra special because this is episode 100. Whether this is your first time listening or you've been with me since the beginning, thank you. 100 episodes means 100 intentional moments we've shared. And today, we celebrate what it means to stay the course. This week's theme is the power of consistency, because growth doesn't happen all at once. It happens moment by moment, breath by breath, showing up for yourself one day at a time. So take a deep breath and let's begin. I celebrate my growth one step at a time. Every small action adds up to transformation. I am proud of how far I've come. Now repeat after me. I celebrate my growth one step at a time. Every small action adds up to transformation. I am proud of how far I've come. Now, inhale patience. Hold it. Exhale self-doubt. Inhale gratitude. Hold it gently and exhale pressure. Inhale pride. Hold it and exhale comparison. Now, picture yourself walking along a path lined with stepping stones. Each stone represents a choice to show up, to reflect, to breathe, to believe. You look back and see how far you've come, not through perfection, but through persistence. Now turn forward and see the road still ahead, open, full of promise, and waiting for you to continue. I celebrate my growth one step at a time. Every small action adds up to transformation. I am proud of how far I've come. Thank you for being with me today and for helping me reach this incredible milestone. Episode 100 isn't just about numbers. It's about what happens when we choose to keep showing up for ourselves, for others, and for the life we truly want. If this episode inspired you, pass it on. Someone else may be one small step away from breakthrough. Visit liveauthenticdaily.com for more empowering insights on living authentically and download your free guide, The Authentic Living Breakthrough. And remember, your life matters, your voice has power, and the world needs the authentic you. Until tomorrow, live big, live full, live authentic. Episode 100.